guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today I'm going to open the last Kitties, where I seen an Evangelion to HD. Here's a look at it.
Who buy this for you?
Cameraman. And there is 36 to collect in 201A. Oh. Sorry. Now, last Kitties. What does this say?
Yeah, who's hidden inside?
Yeah, now let's open it.
Yeah.
Like a milk carton. So cool. We got this multiplier and we got a white compact. Let's open this thing up.
Well, let's see the fire.
It smells like Play-Doh, but it's not Play-Doh. It smells like Play-Doh. Let's dig in here. Okay, I think it's actually Play-Doh. How am I supposed to get this out then?
Actually, it's Play-Doh, just like Play-Doh, right?
It smells like Play-Doh. It feels like Play-Doh.
It looks like tofu, right?
Yeah.
Or ice cream, vanilla ice cream.
How am I supposed to
It's so
dig
soft.
in here? You help me take you milk beauty compact.
Yeah.
I play with it when you take it out.
So difficult to get it out.
Yeah, you got this beauty
You got it.
compact Play-Doh. I found the blind open bag. Let's take all that beauty compact out of it first. Okay, we got this.
Some more thing inside. You see?
We need accessory. We got a burger. Ha! You can actually have a mold under the burger.
Some more things inside.
We got our meme sticker and one more accessories. We got a Nintendo Switch. Here's. Let's stick it all back in. Maybe later. We got this. We got the meme sticker. This is a meme sticker. The meme stickers actually mean what you get inside of the pack. So I don't have scissors. Take it out for me. Oh. Empty bag with some memes. Take this out.
Yeah, I got it.
Thank you.
See, what's that? What's this?
It's the same thing as this. Let's open our meme sticker. How do you open this again? Okay, open my meme sticker. I'm gonna put this back inside and take it out. I'm gonna wash it after this. So hard to get the compact out of this accessory. Feels like Play-Doh. It is Play-Doh.
This is softer than Play-Doh. It seems like very soft, right?
Yeah, it's much softer.
It smells good?
Play-Doh. Smells like Play-Doh.
Oh.
That actually means that's Play-Doh. Something similar than Play-Doh. My cameraman is walking around. I hear your footsteps. Meme sticker, where are you? I lost my meme sticker. Can I have the meme sticker? After you open it. Give the meme sticker to me after. Take it out. This is a meme sticker. This is the big compact. Can you rest these? Can you take all this out for free? We got this one.
I don't like that kind of Play-Doh thing.
That's not Play-Doh.
Yeah, kind of.
It's sticky.
Yeah.
Sticks to my accessories from burger.
Yeah, we need to wash it later, I guess.
Ew. Maybe he likes to play Nintendo Switch. Beep, 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 beep. And you can also make a mold. This is a mold for under it. Give me. I'm going to make it flat. Oh, sorry. Move. Let's make it flat. And then put the Nintendo Switch on top of it. And then take it out. We got a beauty of accessory. And let's try using the burger, because it also has something to do with the burger. Where's the flyer? Thank you. Let's see which one we got. I found it already. It's this one with the purple hat.
And what's the name of this one?
This one.
Yeah, let me see. It's got Captain Kitty.
This one.
Captain Kitty.
Captain Kitty. And it had a white teardrop. That's why this one. Let's open this other one in the next video.
Yeah.
We have a few more drops on the bottom. Let me clean it up.
Yeah, you know, clean up. Clean up the table.
Because we don't want no more.
Oh, mommy come back home, you.
Yell at me.
Yeah, right. You
Not more, you'll yell at you.
Yeah.
You are the one.
No, I'm not the one who get the trouble.
It stretches more than Play-Doh. Look, Play-Doh always breaks like this, but this stretches more than Play-Doh. It stretches out like slime. Whoa! Yeah, but it's not Play-Doh. Smells like Play-Doh, feels like Play-Doh, but it's slime.
Is it a little bit greasy?
Yeah, it's kind of greasy.
Is it eatable?
No, it's not eatable.
Basically, compound not intended to be eaten, but non-toxic, conform to ASTM D4236. I don't know what.
You can eat it, but you'll get you sick.
Yeah.
So bye guys, see you next time. Wait, let me tell you something. This kind of, when you rub it like this, your hands get shimmery and oily. So now I can say bye guys. Bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Bye.
How many subscribers?
Copy Comeback. 1 million subscribers, everybody. You're so good. I love you, all my followers on Instagram. So bye.